Yes, we're going to do the arm and the Bikini. You're going to put the thing on the whole thing. Just rub it on your whole, like the whole thing. Rub the whole thing. Straight down the labia. Your labia are wet. In the middle, it's going to be kind of wet. So don't open it yet. Just get the middle. Pull your belly up and... Yahtzee! Rub, 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 and go in the opposite direction. Remember, you're supposed to go in the opposite direction. That was a good one. Opposite direction of hair growth. And the first pull is the worst. Like real talk, if you have to take an aspirin before, you do this, just do it. It's kind of hard to talk and do it. Rub, 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 rub. Pull it. Yep. Okay, so to get the end, we're done with that one. Fold it, remember? These fold as well, because they make a mess. Okay, to get all the way in the middle, you're going to, again, throw that leg up somewhere and separate, spot a little, and you just split the labia. You're going to put the wax on one side, and after you split the labia, again, moisture from the labia is going to cause it not to adhere. So it's not going to stick to that skin, okay? And you've already baby oiled, you've already powdered. If you need to repowder, if you need to re-baby oil, that's fine. It's not going to cause the wax not to stick to the hair. So you pull, 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 like pull for your life. And you remember, you're coming up. Pull it towards your face and try to keep it as close to the skin as possible. So are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! 3. Ah! Yahtzee. This is the area that it's helpful to go diagonally in as well. You can go in both directions. If you don't get it the first time, go in the opposite direction. And smooth, like the more you smooth that junk on the hair, the easier it is to get it off. It's rough. Okay, and I'm going to go to the other side because I got all of the hair from that labia. Go to the other side, and again, trim. Make sure your hair is not too long. If it's too long, you're just going to cover the entire strip with like 5 pieces of hair because they're so long. Trim it. Got it. Woo! Bad work. This is awful. If you are able to sit on the floor and do it, that's how I do it. I will literally sit on a towel and, what's that called? Straddle stretch. Straddle stretch, fold one leg in, and go for it. And when I get to the very back, I will pull all the way back, like take it all the way back to your bum. And again, the anus is a moist place. It's not going to stick you or pull your butthole out, I promise. Pull the cheek up and just pull it. Here. Other side. Smooth it in there. Do this clean. Make sure you're clean, because that's just disgusting. Pull the cheek up and pull it out. Ooh, that one ripped slowly. No bueno. Okay, hair gone. Have these ready, just ready. I'm pretty sure that there's a little hair there. Yeah, still a couple of pieces. So I'm gonna go back again. And you can feel if the hair is there, like. And get a leg up. That was a lot of hair. Sorry. Okay, and then I get to the other side. And I'm going to pull down this time. Yeah. And we're good. Okay, so. Sorry. You do have to make sure that you've gotten the hair. Okay, so when you're done, When you're done, you're going to take your baby oil and clean up. Clean up, clean up. Everybody do your share. Plenty of oil, like lots. Because if you can take a shower after, you should, because you're going to be kind of messy. There's still a little bit of oil over there. Put plenty of baby oil on it. Rub it. And if it's stubborn, take one of your muslin strips, put some baby oil on it. Rub, 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 and it will disintegrate the wax. Yes, yes, yes. Don't rub too hard because this area is still sensitive. Take it all around so I'm moving in. All right, we're done here. When you're done, the night, put some Vaseline on the entire area. It's going to cause the skin to heal well because if there is irritation, you just ripped wax off of your skin. So it's going to have a bit of inflammation, redness. That's okay. Make sure that the water is not too hot when you take a shower or it's going to kind of burn. Wash with soap and because there's a lot of oil on there. So just wash with soap regularly, put the Vaseline on, wear some cotton panties, bada bing, bada boom. You can literally do this before you go to the pool. Like, I always do. I always do it before I go out, before I go to the beach. And the redness doesn't stay so long that it's noticeable. Do not, for the first time ever waxing, do it and then go to the beach because you're not good at this. You're gonna have some pulling, you're gonna have some redness. If you do it too many times, sometimes you pull off too much skin, it can bleed. So be careful, but you're not gonna kill yourself. Like, practice makes perfect. And this costs me $10. This will last me 4 or 5 waxes, real talk. To get a bikini wax, I believe is like $30, $30 to $50. To get a Brazilian everything gone, it is about $75. And then you gotta tip the lady just to make sure that she doesn't pull your vagina off of your body. Yeah, I always tip my wax ladies very well because I need you to be careful. But I've learned how to do it myself. Now you know how to do it yourself. Okay.
That's my theme music.